So you have more than one Twinkly system and you would like to control everything as one unit. In this case I have a tree topper and a tree, but you could have different trees or some other kind of twinkly lights. So to achieve that, you go into the Twinkly app, and in the Twinkly app you tap devices, and at the top you tap the plus sign and then create group. In this situation I would like to join them together to be like one system. So I'm going to select join, then take next. I'm going to tap the ones I would like to include into this group, and then I tap create. And now I'm going to set the name. So in this case I think that Christmas tree is a good name. And we tap OK. And now we are creating a group. So now we have created a group Christmas tree. So now when we are on devices, I can turn everything off at once and I can turn everything back on. And if I go into that group, I can see that I have the twinkly light and a tree topper. So that is how easy you create a group of different twinkly systems into one. Next thing we can do that is to see each other in that video over here, because that is the video where I'm gonna go through this fantastic tree. And at the bottom here, that is about that tree topper. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.